The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Worcester County in central Massachusetts.
No, not the.
Northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts.
Yo, I'm vibing to this. Yo, it's first SVR on the night, and Middlesex County. For the counties in Middlesex. I'm gonna see if I can see if the any I don't think any channels were laying it, but we'll see. Actually, a tornado warning. So a tornado possible. So a tornado warning might be issued. Oh wow. They just canceled the SVA. There we go. From the 7 Weather Center. This is on WHDH. Counties of Middlesex and Worcester at 7:52. Severe thunderstorm was located near Hardwick. 16 miles south of Orange. Moving at northeast at 35 miles per hour. The freaking brightness. Horrible. WMUR. No, not on WMUR. Actually, it wouldn't be on WENH because it's on my So there's a thunderstorm warning for the counties in Middlesex and Worcester in Massachusetts. No. I'm just, I'll end the video in a second. I'm just seeing if, any stations are relaying it. GHB 44? No. I know, I'm pretty sure, WSBK relays. If I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong.